Hello everyone, Chris Figures here once again. This is a continuation of the video Genie for family members. This is video 2 in the series, and if you've not seen video 1 first, you really should. In video 1, we learned that family members and friends are virtual visitors, able to send messages and media to their assigned resident using Ambient Connect mobile app on their smart device. Designated virtual visitors can also be family facilitators. Essentially, family facilitators are virtual visitors who have been given access to manage the resident's profile on the Access Admin website. The facility may designate one or multiple virtual visitors to help manage a resident's profile. Typically, a family facilitator is a trusted family member who will know who your resident would wish to message with. It's important to keep in mind that Connect mobile app and Access Admin website are two different features providing two different functions. Connect app provides messaging services. Access website provides administrative functionality. Administrative functions are not accessed in Connect app. In this video, we'll review how a family facilitator will use Access website to assign other virtual visitors to their resident, manage their resident's messages, create and manage memory albums for their resident. First, let's make sure you're registered on the Genie platform. The Facility Kiosk Manager will have created your user profile using your name and email and will have assigned you to your resident. If you've already registered your user profile with your mobile device as described in video 1, you can go directly to Access Admin portal at www.aatadmin.com and sign in with the same email password credentials created with your mobile device. If you've not yet registered for your user profile on the platform, you'll need to do so now by completing the registration process. Once registered, you may sign into the Access Admin website at www.aatadmin.com using your email password credentials, and you'll be directed to your Access user dashboard. Let's have a quick look at your family facilitator dashboard. Here's your home bar. At the top right corner is a place to manage your user profile. Here we see Edit Profile, Change Password, and Sign Out. If you have not already uploaded an image avatar with Connect app, select your profile on the home bar here. Select Edit Profile and then click Change Picture and upload an image from your computer. Remember to upload a portrait image of yourself that clearly depicts facial features focusing on the eyes. The image should be simple, not busy, with a friendly and welcoming smile. And click Upload. And then click Save. Now let's review the resident dashboard. Here we see Edit Resident and Add User. The Kiosk Manager will have already created the resident profile and have assigned a key number to your resident, but perhaps a good picture or any picture of your resident has yet to be uploaded. This is where you can help. Go to Edit Resident, Add Picture, and upload an appropriate picture of your resident from your computer. This is important. When uploading a picture of your resident, choose an image that the resident can easily identify as themselves. Consider a picture of the resident when lifetime experiences were new and impactful, typically between the ages of 20 to 40 years old. Choose a portrait image from shoulders up that clearly depicts facial features, focusing on eyes. The image should be simple, not busy, with a friendly and welcoming smile. And click Upload. Then close. Now let's go to Add User. This is where you create and assign other virtual visitors to your resident. Enter your family's email address here, their name here, and their display name here, the familiar name displayed on the screen that the resident would know the person by. And once you save the profile, an invite email is generated and sent to this person for authentication. They will need to respond by providing a secure password to complete registration. By clicking on Messages, we can see all messages sent to the resident by all virtual visitors. And by clicking on the direction, we can see all the messages a resident has sent to virtual visitors. Here is how we can delete a message by clicking on the trash can icon and confirming by saying yes. Users. Here's a listing of all the users assigned to the resident, so you know who's in your resident's community. We also have a button for the resident's memory albums and library. To review, at the kiosk, residents independently scroll through collections of pictures, songs, and movies, revisiting their lived experiences. Memory albums help to retain precious memories, invite opportunities to reminisce, and enhance family visitations. This is important. Residents do not see their library content on the Genie kiosk. Think of the resident's library as a media repository or storage folder. Pictures, video, and songs can all be uploaded into a resident's library by many contributors by various means. However, all this media can be challenging for a resident to make sense of. So, family facilitators act as curators, creating memory albums for the resident from content deposited into the resident library. Memory albums are what residents see on the Genie kiosk. There are a few ways for contributors to upload media to a resident's library. Remember that library upload feature on Connect we talked about in video 1? This is one way. Although virtual visitors do not create memory albums for a resident, they can contribute media to a resident's library for you to use by using Library Upload feature on Connect. Pictures and videos sent via the message board on Connect app is another way. After being viewed by the resident, media sent in messages is stored in the library and selectable for use in a memory album for 45 days. If media uploaded via the message board feature is not selected for a memory album within 45 days, the media is purged from the platform. You can also add media directly from your computer. Let's click on Library. As you can see, in this resident's library, there have been some different users that have uploaded media either through Ambient Connect or Ambient Access. Let's add some media. Click Add Media at the top right. You can choose between uploading audio, images, or videos. I'm going to select images. I'm going to pick an image from my computer and click Upload. A Media's Properties pop-up window appears where you can add in a title and a description of your image, and then click Upload. Okay, now that we have some content in the resident's library, let's create a few memory albums for your resident to enjoy. Let's click the back button. From your resident's dashboard, select Memory Albums. You'll notice once you open the memory album, you'll have a default memory album that is available for you to either use and edit and add content to, but is completely empty to start. Let's create a new album. Here we have an option to activate a slideshow feature so that the content auto scrolls through, or leave it unselected so the resident will need to push the go button on the kiosk to see the next image. I'll leave it unselected. Click Save. Once the album is created, select Edit Content and begin to populate the memory album. On the top right, select Add Content. Here I can upload directly from my computer audio, images, and videos, or here I can select Pick from Library and select media I want from the library repository. I'm going to select Images. Let's add some from our library. You can add any kind of media to your memory album. I'm going to select a couple of images and then click OK. Now that I've added some content to the memory album, I can click Close. I can always go back and edit the content. I can also click and choose if I want to delete any of the images. Let's create one more album. I'm going to click Add Content, and I'll upload images. Okay, now we can click Close, and we have 2 memory albums that we've created. All right, let's add a cover image to our memory album. Click the pencil icon in the top right-hand part of the memory album icon. Select an image and click OK. Let's do it again. On my next memory album, I'll click on the pencil icon. Great, now we have 2 memory albums. Okay, I think that's enough to get things going. Take some time to make yourself familiar with the website and don't be afraid to experiment. If you need help, send us an email at support@ambientactivity.com.